Let's start building our application. So we have installed the Truffle. So Truffle can also be used in order to get a template, so where we can build our application. So here, if you go to their site and if you go to this boxes, so in this you can see various templates which already the Truffles team have provided. So now we can make use of any of this and build the application. So if you are using a React for the development, so then you can use make use of this box. So it will contain all the initial things which we need, like connecting to the network, and all the basic steps will be taken care by this. So we can only focus on actual building of the application. So in our case, so we'll be using this box, which is the pet shop. So if you click on that, so you can see they will be providing you how to install this and all the steps which we'll be using. So I'll just open this. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to follow the steps in order to install this pet shop. Okay, so now I'm in my command prompt. So in this, let me go to the desktop. So here I'll create a directory. Okay, so now I'll go to the command prompt. So here I'm in the desktop. So here I'll create a directory. So I'll do mkdir and so we are building system and we'll create a student lab. So then I'll move to this. Okay, so now I've created this empty directory. So in this, so you have to install the Truffle which you have done previously, and then you need to run this command Truffle unbox pet shop. So I'll do that. Truffle unbox pet shop. So now what it will do is it will install install this pet shop file into your into this directory. So uh, wait till this gets completed. So in the meanwhile, let's create a blockchain on this Ganache. I have opened the Ganache. So here we need to uh, create a workspace so that we can deploy our we can have a local blockchain instance, a local blockchain which will be running here. So click on the workspace and so now it's setting up the blockchain. Okay, so you'll get something like this. So here you can give your name. So I'll give it as student app. So just click on save workspace. So now so you have done this. So in here you can see there are so here you can see this is currently it's an account. So account basically it will provide you with 10 different 10 dummy accounts with some Ethereum in that, so that we can do transactions on the blockchain. So next in the blocks you can see, so here you can see different blocks which will be mined and it will be shown over here. So transaction will come to it later. So then all these things. Okay, so in this you can see it's running on this 7545. uh, so that we'll be using it later. So this basically provides you a visual representation of how a blockchain works. So that's why we'll be using this. Okay, so now let's okay, so it's yeah, so now we have installed the pet shop. So here you can see, so these are some of the commands which you can use. So now what I'll do is I'll open this in the Visual Code. Okay, so now I have opened the pet shop, opened the code in my VS Code. So here you can see, so these are the different files which we'll be working with. can see various different files that are there. So let me just walk through each of those. So GitHub is so this is okay. So this thing we will not be using, and then the thing which we'll be working on is this contracts folder. So in that you can see there is a pre-written migration.solve contract. So this is for like deploying onto the blockchain. So this code is for that. We'll be seeing it later. Then in the migrations you can see there is a JavaScript code which we'll be using in order to deploy the blockchain. Then node modules are the different things which will be installed, like so all the packages which are needed for running this project. This in this source folder you can see the HTML and the JavaScript and all those. So in the JavaScript you are having app.js. So here you can see it's all pre-written. So we'll do some modification to it and then we'll be building our app. Web3 is basically for connecting making a connection to the blockchain world. Then you are having Truffle and then the Bootstrap for designing purpose. CSS, so here you can do designing, and then so images they have provided some of the images of so since it's a pet shop, they have given this images like images of dogs. Then yeah, so what we'll be working on is we'll be working on only this three folders. So one is the contracts, where we will be writing the actual smart contracts. Then this source folder, in this we'll be writing the JavaScript, and then this migration. So only these three lines of code we'll be writing in the migration. Okay, so now if I go to, so packages are like what are the things which we'll be using. So this will be giving over here, and then truffle config. So here we are configuring on which thing it should be running. For example, here if you remember in the Ganache we had 7545, so the has a port number, so we are giving it over here. So now if we are using a different blockchain, so then that we can configure over here. So that's about our truffle configuration. Yeah, so then in the source if you see we are having the index.html, so it is the HTML page which they have given. So these are some of the things. Okay, so now let's run this and see what they have provided to us. So now to run this, so you can so here you can see to run the server you can do npm run dev. So what it will do is it will start the server onto the localhost. There you can see your application. So now we have not written any smart contract or anything like that. So yeah, so this is the thing which they are providing as a default. So pet shop, and then these are some of the cards. So all these things are done using the designing is done using the Bootstrap. So here we need to add the functionality. So if you want, so you can add the functionality to this adapt button that will create a transaction and it will add it to the blockchain. So yeah, so this is the default template which they are given. So we will be not working on this. So we'll create a simple design. We'll do that.